Good afternoon, peoples.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Sit down, please. How are you?
Hi.
Okay, let's begin our lesson. So, today we have an open lesson and we have a guest. So, be active and I wish you good luck, okay? Okay, now, before starting our lesson, I want to show a short video, okay? Let's see it. Okay. Okay, we saw the video and what do you think, what will we talk about in our lesson? How do you think? Не трогай там словами, да? Okay, what do you think? Yes, Kuzhibek and Korean. Okay, so our new theme is My Country, a Folk Tale. And for today, our lesson objectives are understand the detail of an argument on a limited range of time for general and curricular topics, including some extended texts. Write with some support topics with some paragraphs to give basic personal information. Develop and sustain a consistent argument when speaking or writing. Recognize the attitude or opinion of the writer in short text on a growing range of general and curricular topics. Okay, now, before starting the lesson, let's do something with pictures, okay? I'll give you a card and you should do the things on the picture, okay? Суреттегі әрекетті істейміз, okay? Okay, to you. Okay, to you. Okay, it will be to you. Okay, now, first, okay, and your picture, show me your picture. Сурет көрсеңіз. Next, see it. Okay, very good. Next. Very good. Next. You have a huge heart. Okay, let's do. Okay, take this, okay? The shy, yaptım. High. Okay, very good. Tamasha. Okay, so let's continue our lesson. Now, now I want to show you our assessment sheet, okay? I will assess you today with these rainbow numbers, okay? And each of you will have this. So, in each task you will get a point and you should lift this thing up, okay? Up. The plus in this sheet, we have a feedback. At the end of the lesson, we will use it, okay? To you and to you. Okay. So, and today, let's start our lesson with checking your home task. Okay? To do our home task, let's use platform. We will use platform learning app. You should come one by one and choose which is correct. Okay? Bir-birден келеміз де, дұрысын таңдаймыз. Okay? It's about adverb. We talked about this adverb at the last lesson. Өткен сабақта айтылған тақырып естеріңізде ғой, иә? Үстеу туралы. Сондықтан бір-бір келеміз, one by one, and find which is correct. Let's begin with this. Бегарыз. Yes, Biogaris is correct. You get 2 points. You go out, India. Next. Second. Yes, you get 2 points. Lift your assessment to the 2 point, okay? Put your thumbs. Next. Listen. Miras? How do you think? Read this sentence carefully or goodly? No, it's carefully. You don't have any points. Yeah? Next. Marjan. Quickly. We walk. I just said it. Quickly. Okay, you don't have any point. Next. Pavel. Please speak fastly or slowly. No, it's slowly. Speak slowly. Okay. You don't have any points. Сидите. Бал жоқ. Балларға бір балл, 2 балдан қосмайсыз. Get next. Right, come. She opens the door slowly. Yes, you are correct. Okay, 2 points. Next. Families. Maria can dance. No, beautifully. That is a irregular verb. Yes. So next. They look after them. Happy? No. It's well. You didn't have any point. Next. Genevieve. He calls for help loudly or lazily? Yes. Yes, you are correct. Genevieve, 2 points. Next, last one. Are you good? How about runs home? No, it's quickly. Don't correct, it's not correct. Okay, we are finished our home task. You did very good job. Тамаша, молодец. Жарайсыңдар. Now, next, let's start our main part of the lesson. Okay, негізгі бөлімімізге кірісейік. So, in this part, we will work individually. Жеке-жеке орындаймыз. So, let's listen tape script. 2:30 from the book, and then I'll give you card, and you should answer for the questions. Okay? Let's listen. Tape script. Tыңдауымыз.
30. Unit 7. My country. Exercise 2. Kuzjebek. The story of Kuzjebek is one of the most famous in Kazakhstan. It comes from the 16th century. The story's themes of conflict and tragic love are similar to Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. The story tells of Bazarbai, a rich but unhappy man. He had 9 sons, but but sadly they all died, and Basilai felt lost. Then, when he was already old, Basilai's wife had a son. The couple called him Tuligen, and a year or so later they had another son, Satsazbai. Tuligen was handsome. He looked like a prince. He was also determined to do things his way. He heard of a girl called Kuzhibek. People said she looked beautiful and she sounded nice. In fact, Tuligen thought she sounded like the girl he wanted to marry. Very quickly, he started thinking of ways to find her. The girl lived with her family on the banks of the river Akshaik. It was a long way from Tuligen's home, so his mother was worried about his safety on the journey. She begged him not to go, but Tuligen didn't listen to her and set off. Tuligen met Kuzhibek and she fell in love with him. For a while their lives were good, but their happiness didn't last. Tuligen had competition. Another man, Bekejan, was also in love with Kuzhibek, and he challenged Tuligen to a fight. When the two met, Bekejan killed Tuligen, but Bekejan didn't win Kuzhibek's hand in marriage. She was heartbroken after Tuligen's death and tragically killed herself.
Okay. So, now I'll give you a card. Do you know what theme is it? Yeah? Biliyor musun yeah? Do you know what card is it? So, in these cards, there are questions. Okay? You should come one by one and choose one card. There are questions and you should answer for them. Okay? Okay. One by one. Very quickly. Skip because one by one. Choose which you like. Come. Choose one card. Okay. Okay. Next. Quickly. 초단. Quickly. 초단. Please. Come. Quickly. Okay. Pardon. Come. Quickly. Okay, very good. Now, look at your questions, and then prepare. Okay, you should answer for them. We heard about this Kuzhibek stories, and now this questions is about this. I'll give you 1 minute. If you are ready, you can raise your hands and come to the center and answer for them. Okay? If you are ready, raise your hands. Дайын болса, қол көтереміз. Are you ready? Dайыныз бар. Okay. Number. Silent number 5. Fifth question. Okay, read.
When was the story first told?
When was it first told? Okay, when?
It comes from the 16th century.
Okay, very good. Tamasha. You get 2 points. Екі балл отырады. Sit down, please. Next, who wants? Come. Let's do it quickly. Жылдан бақымыз. Here's the bank. Number. Your card number.
6.
Yes, okay, 6. Okay.
on a
Long.
long journey because he wanted to meet and marry Kızılbek.
Yes, you are correct. Okay, you are right. 2 points, yes, Sultan. Next. Right. Card number, card.
10.
10, okay, 10.
What did happen after 5?
What did happen after 5?
Because I killed the back.
In the back,
In the back. When they were returning home.
Yes, okay, sit down. You got 2 points, Baba. Lift up your assessment sheet. Bağladım bayıldım. Okay, read number. 2, okay, read your question.
How did Tuligan look at life?
How did you look like Tuligan?
Tuligan look at life and princess.
Okay, he looked like a prince. 2 points, Baba. Next, Miras. Number. Your number card number. Some card number. Kaç number? 11, okay. Ne kadarız? Okay, read.
What was the name of the horse Kızılbek?
Horse.
The name is Akbozat.
Yes, Akbozat, yes. Okay, sit down please. Next, once. Janvir. 9, okay.
What tool of genre is this story?
What type of genre is this story?
It is tragic love story.
Yes, it's tragic. Okay, sit down. 2 points. Kurmanalis. Very good. Next. Who else? Families.
8.
8, okay.
Why did the Gizar kill Tuligan?
Why? Why did?
He wanted to marry Kızılbek and challenge Tuligan to
Fight.
fight.
Yes, very good, families. Tamasha. 2 points. Who wants? Come. Barsan? 7, okay, read. Strong.
She killed.
Strong. Read the question. 7, What happened to Kızılbek at the end of the story? What happened?
She killed herself.
Yes, she killed herself. Okay, very good. 2 points. Next, Pilaris. Number 4. Read. Strong. Read. 4. Who? The main character of the story. Yes? Who are the main character of the story?
Tuligan and Kızılbek.
And?
Kızılbek.
Что? Vicky?
Dikican.
Yes. Okay, you got 1 point. Okay, Birba, 1 point. And that's all. Volma, Ajan, come.
What is Tuligan writer name?
Cut. 3. What is Tuligin's father's name? Father. No. Tuligin's father's name. Какие смотри, Tuligin? Bazar?
Bazarbay.
Yes, Bazarbay. Okay, sit down. It's 1 point. Birba. So, okay, very good. Very good. Okay, now let's continue our lesson. So, now I think it's time for dividing into group and working in team. Topla bölümümüz. Okay? We will divide into 2 groups by choosing colorful balls. Türlü түсті доптарды таңдауға бөлінеміз. Okay? Now, come, first part. Бірінші столдағы. Come and choose 1 colorful ball. Келдер, бірінші топтағылар келеміз. Де таңдаймыз? Come. Come. Okay. What's it? Okay. Now, second part. Come. first team. And Tuligen will be second team. Okay? And now who had blue balls? Blue balls, go to the Bikishan. And who had a green balls? Go to the Tuligen. Now quickly divide into two groups. Let's divide. Okay. Bikishan and Tuligen will be competed with each other. Okay? Okay. So next task. For group work, I took Khzhbek story, yes, and I divide this story into two parts, and I'll give one part to this table and the second part to this table, okay? And in this text, there are missing parts. Missing parts, and I'll give you cards. You should put them in the correct places, okay? It's for first team, and then this one for the second team. Now I'll give you cards. Tick. Work on a team. If you do it correctly, you will get 4 points. Okay? Put them into correct places. Дұрыс орнына қоямыз. Бірге жұмыс жасаймыз. Work together. And for you, my colleagues, I have this paper. In this paper, I have a QR code. You can give me your feedback. Here, байланыстарыңызды берсеңіз де болады. QR арқылы маған сабаққа. жақындап кетсең болады. Қасына не хат береді. No? Put it. Okay, do it quickly. Show them the dance. You are done? Okay, come to the center and read your text. Not me, read your text. The weekend vacation. Put it. Синоптик, right?
It was the middle of Christmas was when the first
Awesome.
no. He did know what I have tomorrow telegram. This one is a song of Butterfly and one of all great enemies.
Enemies.
I cannot allow his future.
Живее.
Tomorrow, he said.
Next.
Full of hearted vision made on that and killed separately.
Okay. And
When young man was struggling to meet his brothers, Vision and his brides led of followed him.
okay. And
William
fouls bravely.
but there were too many of them. After a long fight, the evil Vision and his wife finally killed him. The young man last words as he did.
Where? Okay. Next, Miras тоже. Miras.
That very moment she had a terrible dream. In her dream, she was rich tall again. But when she wished
Out.
out he
Disappeared.
He woke up.
She wake up.
Which her head full of fear.
Okay.
And then ran to her friends. She
And-
told them about her dream and they comforted him.
Her.
Don't worry about it. It's just dream, they say.
They said, okay. Marjan. Then.
The vacation are arranged with the nest. Also, Shuriken
Yes. When.
when the talking that the well grown in horror.
Yes.
Her
Okay.
friends
Tried.
tried to help the young
Woman.
woman. But the boat
She wouldn't listen.
to say. Her artful dream had woman true and her glory. William was dead.
Okay.
The
Her broken.
left her ear and walking
Along across
across the steppe
until
until the camel
she came.
came. Not
High. Clear. And last one sentence. Unable. To imagine without.
Again, the young woman jumped of the leaf for there.
To your desk. Okay. They are all correct. They are all correct. So to this thing, each of you get 4 points. Okay, leave after assessment. Now next group. Okay. Families, let's start. Once.
Nice happened at time.
Uh-huh.
She was a beautiful woman. She was famous all over the world for the beauty, and he
Intelligence. Okay.
And princess came to ask for his hand in marriage, but Kuzubek decided that she would only
Mary.
marry the man she trially heal in love light.
With. Okay. Despite. Next. I am.
After reading for days, he arrived at her yard, where he saw the beautiful Kuzbek, and they fell in love straight away.
Okay.
Far away, across the step, there lived a handsome young man called to again after hearing the sounds of Kuzbek's beauty. He had a strong desire to meet her. When his father, the wealthy Bazabai, found out about Tulegan's plan, he was very angry because Tulegan's family and Kuzbek's family were great
Enemies. Yes, they were great enemies. Okay. Next.
Despite all their effort and expense, it notice of them could capture her hair. Harvard Toledo was turned violent and willing to listen to his father. Then they got one horse and rode off to feed Kuzbek. Decisions it was their tradition in Tuesday that their father chose his son bride for him. Each other that they won, it married despite the hatred between their families.
each other.
Each babele toczy.
Each other that they you'll get money.
Despite.
Despite hatred between their families.
Yeah. Their families. Okay. Give me your paper. In this text, you got two incorrect. Екі он шатыс кетті. And 2 is correct. So you got all of you 2 points. Okay? Sit down, please. Sit down. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. So we read about Kuzbek. We did a great job. Now I think it's time for relax. Yeah? Шыгырым сертип. Yes? Okay? Now it's time for relax. And for this task, let's play a game. Yeah, wait a minute. Let's play a game. Take the gift. Silk stars. Okay, so in two team. Come to the center. Come to the center. What ideas? Come to the center. Come to the center and stand straight. Stand straight. Stand straight. Stand straight. in this. Okay? So, okay. Now, I have my gift. Okay, I have my gift. And now I'll explain you a rule. Ережесін түсіндірейін. Okay, I'll put this on the floor and say the words, for example, like leg, hands, head. You should take it, and then when I say gift, you should try to take it first. Okay? Okay. First, Vigaris and Bashan. Okay. Let's start. Head. Head. Show me your head. 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 Leg. 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 Okay. Eyes. 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 Okay. Nose. Nose. Gift. Okay. Bashan win. Okay. Next. Barbelette and Janet. Nose. Nose. Leg. 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 Hand. Hands. 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 Head. 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 Okay. Leg. 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 Gift. Okay. Next. Next. Eyes. Eyes. Okay. Nose. Leg. Leg. Hands. Hands. Okay. Head. Nose. Gift. Okay. So next. Mouse. 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 Ears. Ears. Yes. Leg. Leg. Hand. Head. Leg. Gift. Okay, last one. Okay. Eyes. Okay. Nose. Hand. Hand. Hands. Leg. Okay. Head. Nose. Nose. Gift. Okay. Very good. Tamasha. Okay, you can sit. Sit down. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Okay, very good. Tamasha. So, I think it's time for our summarizing lesson. Yes? For this task, I took, for this task, for summarizing our lesson, I took Educa3 platform. In this platform, you count one by one and choose true or false statement. Yes? Those draw one. In this task, there are about shebek. And you should find it's true or false. Okay? Barbelette, come. How many sons did Bazarbai have before Tuligan and Sansbai? How many sons? 8, 7, 9. No, it's 9. No, it's not true. Okay, sit down. Next. Quickly. How did Tuligan die? How did Tuligan die? Let's explode it. How? Yes, it's correct. 2 points. Bashan. What happened to Khshbek after Tuligan's death? No, he healed yourself. Sit down. You begged him not to go on the journey to find Kız Jibek. Why? Because? No, it's not correct. Okay, sit down. Because? When does the story of Kız Jibek come from? When? Yes. Молодец, because you get 2 points. Tamiris. Where did Kız Jibek live? Where? No, we read it about the Akjayır River. Yes, okay, next. Right. What is the main theme of the story of Kız Jibek? What? Yes, 2 points. Right. Come. Marjan. How does the story of Kız Jibek compare to Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet? No, you didn't get any points. Miras. Okay. Okay, I'll ask you two orally. Сендерден ағылшын сөйлесін, иә? Интернет түсінбей алып, не аламайды. Okay? I'll ask you orally. So, Miras, stand up. Is it true Бекежан and Төлеген are friends? Төлеген and Бекежан are friends. Is it true or false? Friends. Are they friends? Yes? Really?
Not really.
Yes or no?
No.
No, of course no. They were enemies. Okay, 1 point, not 2, 1 point. Okay. Janibek. Is it true that Bekежан loved Kız Jibek too? Bekежан loved Kız Jibek too? Is it true or false?
False.
No, it's true. Жақсы көрді ғой Бекежан да кімді? Kız Jibekті. No, you didn't get any point. Okay, thank you very much. And now you should give for the lesson feedback. Here by experience. For this, you should draw a line to the emoji. яғни стрелкамен не істейміз? Өзіңізге түсінікті болатын эмоцияға апарамыз. Okay? You should, if you are satisfied, you should draw a line to the green. If you are half satisfied, you should draw a line to the yellow. And if you're not satisfied, you should draw a line to the red. Okay? With pen, ручками. Draw a line, сызамыз. Draw a line. Are you ready? Okay. Now give me your. Okay. Now give me your. Okay. Very good. Give me your paper. Okay. Very good. Okay, thank you very much. I think we did a great job. Yes? I think we did a great job. Tamasha bold barrier without it. Okay, thank you very much. Stand up. Goodbye, people.